Hello, today I'm going to discuss about the mechanism of evolution. Okay, and in this topic, I'm going to discuss about the various driving forces or cause which lead to evolution. That is the overall process of mechanism of evolution. That means which factors are responsible for the evolution, and this mechanism of evolution is coming under population genetics. I'm writing the topic name here: mechanism of evolution of evolution. Okay, this is the name of the topic. Before going brief into the topic, I would like to discuss about the term evolution. I know you know this definition, but here I am writing it. According to Charles Darwin, evolution is descent with modification, and it is an ongoing process. No one has witnessed this evolution. We came to know evolution is happening through various evidences, and there are lots of driving forces or factors which lead to this evolution. Here the definition of evolution is descent with modification. It has given by Charles Darwin. He is considered as father of evolution. Okay, father of evolution. Okay, and this is all about the evolution. Now come to the mechanism. Okay, mechanism means there are various driving forces leads to evolution, and these driving forces are, this is the overall thing of which results to evolution, and this is the mechanism of evolution. These factors are: first, genetic drift, second one is gene flow, third one is mutation. Okay, fourth is non-random mating, and fifth is environmental factor. Okay, environmental factor. Okay, these all the factors are acting on a population, okay, rather than an individual population. Okay, that's why this topic is coming under population genetics. It leads to genotypic and phenotypic characters where of a individual present in the population. Okay, these are the driving forces. So let's discuss about the first one, that is genetic drift. Okay, yeah, genetic drift. Okay, you can see the name. Okay, first one is genetic. It is related to gene. Okay, that means something changing in the gene or genetic makeup of an individual in a population. Okay, now come to the drift. Drift is the wipe out. Okay, wipe out or perish. Okay, it is the literal meaning. Okay, so By any cause, some of the genes or allele in the population or in a gene pool will be perished, and that phenomenon is known as genetic drift. Okay, and here genetic drift is random abolition of gene in a population. Okay, it occurs for chance. There is no intention, and it has no advantage. Okay, like in a population, some individual is reproduced more in number and some will gradually perished in the subsequent generation. Here I am showing one image. You can learn from it, you can see it. Okay, yeah, this one you can see here. This is the initial population. Here yellow 1 2 3 4 5 5 yellow individuals, 1 2 3 4 5 5 red, and 1 2 3 4 5 blue population. That means total population is 15. Okay, yeah, total population is 15. Each one is 5 yellow, 5 red, and 5 blue. Okay, here this is the initial population. Now this is the second generation. What in second generation we can see? Yellow population 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 are yellow individual, 1 2 3. 3 are red, and 1 2 3 4 5. The 5 are blue. So we can see in the first population yellow individuals are 5, but in the second population yellow individual is 3. Now come to the third generation. In the third generation, the yellow individual are again 7. Okay, the red individual 1 2 3 4, it is 4 instead of 3 from the previous generation, and the blue one is 1 2 3 4. Okay, instead of 5 here blue is less, that is this is 4. And now come to the fifth generation. What happened in the fifth generation? 3 6 9. 9 individuals are from yellow. That means yellow individuals are reproduced more in the subsequent generation, and the blue is 6. Okay, 6, but there is no yellow individual. There is no certain cause or advantage. Due to genetic drift, some individual or gene will be perished. It is a chance effect. Okay, here in the fourth generation we can see the again yellow population is 8. It is more in if we comparing all the four generations, and 2 are red population, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 are blue. So we can see in the fifth generation there is no red individual, but in the fourth generation there are 2 individuals of red. Again it appears. So as a result of genetic drift, some individual will totally perish out, or some are appear in a very less in number, and it is a by chance effect. Okay, here this is the genetic drift. There is no cause for this. It is a chance factor. Okay, here you can see it. And genetic drift has more impact on a large on a small population while in larger population it has very less impact. Okay, very less impact. For example, we can take one example here to show this example. A population of 10 individual. Okay, 10 individual, 1 out of 10 die before sexual maturity. What happens in this case? It doesn't leave any offspring, so that its gene is not getting the chance to transfer to the next generation. So its gene from the gene pool will totally abolish. Okay, hence the gene of one individual from the gene pool would totally abolished. Okay, so the percentage of the abolished, that means the loss of gene is equal to 1 upon 10. Okay, this one, and which is a measure impact on the small population. If the population is if the population consists of 100 individuals, okay, one individual will die. What would be the percentage? That means 1% gene will perish from 100 individuals. Okay, so it has very less impact. It has shown very less impact. Okay, yeah. Therefore we came to know from this, from this example genetic drift has more impact on smaller population than larger one. Okay, here it is all about the process of genetic drift. Okay, here another fact I'm going to discuss about the genetic drift, that is genetic drift leads to two events. Okay, it is not two types, it leads to two events, that is one is bottleneck condition and second one is founder effect. Okay, founder effect. Yeah, bottleneck condition, exactly what happens here when a larger population larger populations individual will die by natural disasters. Natural disaster, that may be hurricane or flood. Very few individual, a few individual will survive. Okay, these existing individuals are called bottleneck effect, and they represent the pre-existing genes of the population, and when the generation will continue, variation leads to new individuals. This is called bottleneck effect. Another is founder effect, when some of the individuals migrate to other habitat, or you can say they isolate, that is geographical isolation occurs in the existing population. They migrate towards a new habitat and form new offsprings. Okay, these existing or immigrated population which form the new population in the vacant habitat or new habitat is called founder effect. That means the new individual founded a new population, that is called founder effect. These are the two events of genetic drift. Okay, I hope you got this concept. For better understanding, you can pause the video and see all the things I briefed here. Okay, this is all about the one factor or one driving force of mechanism of evolution here, that is genetic drift. Thank you for watching. Bye.